Are you standing at a financial crossroads, wondering if Wealthsimple is the right vehicle to drive your investment journey? With so many options screaming for your attention in the crowded fintech space, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. You've probably heard the buzz, seen the sleek app, and perhaps even noticed their clever marketing. But beyond the hype, beyond the appealing design, does Wealthsimple truly offer the account types that align with your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and your long-term aspirations? That's the core question we're tackling today, and by the end of this deep dive, you'll have a much clearer picture of whether choosing Wealthsimple is the right move for you. Let's be honest, the world of investing can feel like a labyrinth. Jargon, complex platforms, and the sheer volume of choices can deter even the most eager aspiring investor. This is precisely where platforms like Wealthsimple have carved out their niche. They promise simplicity, accessibility, and a user-friendly experience that aims to demystify investing. But simple doesn't always mean right for everyone, especially when it comes to something as crucial as your financial future. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of Wealthsimple's various account types, let's establish some foundational context. What kind of investor are you? Are you a set-it-and-forget-it type, happy to delegate the heavy lifting to a robo-advisor? Or do you crave control, eager to pick individual stocks and ETFs yourself? Are you saving for retirement, a down payment, your child's education, or simply looking to grow your general wealth? Your answers to these questions are paramount, as they directly dictate which Wealthsimple account type, if any, will serve you best. Wealthsimple isn't a one-trick pony. They've expanded significantly beyond their initial robo-advisor offering, now encompassing a range of services designed to cater to different financial needs. This diversification is both a strength and, at times, a source of confusion for new users. So, let's break down the main pillars of Wealthsimple's account offerings: Wealthsimple Invest, the robo-advisor; Wealthsimple Trade, self-directed investing; and their Wealthsimple Cash account, for everyday banking and high-interest savings. We'll also touch upon specialized registered accounts like TFSAs and RRSPs, and even a relatively new bond portfolio option. First up, let's talk about Wealthsimple Invest. This is where Wealthsimple built its reputation. It's their automated investing service, also known as a robo-advisor. If you're someone who wants professional portfolio management without the high fees of a traditional financial advisor, Wealthsimple Invest could be a fantastic fit. When you sign up, you'll complete a risk assessment questionnaire that helps determine your comfort level with market fluctuations. Based on your answers and your financial goals, Wealthsimple constructs a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for you. These portfolios are globally diversified, meaning your money is spread across various asset classes and geographies, which is a key principle of smart investing for long-term growth and risk mitigation. The beauty of Wealthsimple Invest is its automation. Once your portfolio is set up, Wealthsimple handles everything, rebalancing your portfolio to maintain your target asset allocation, reinvesting dividends, and even optimizing for tax efficiency where applicable. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is incredibly appealing to busy individuals, those new to investing, or anyone who prefers a hands-off strategy. The management fees for Wealthsimple Invest are competitive, typically ranging from 0.4% to 0.5% of your assets under management, which is significantly lower than the 1% to 2% often charged by traditional advisors. For accounts with higher balances, these fees can drop even further, with premium and generation tiers offering reduced rates and additional benefits like personalized financial advice. However, the hands-off nature of Wealthsimple Invest is also its primary limitation for certain investors. If you enjoy researching individual companies, tracking market trends, and making your own investment decisions, you might find Wealthsimple Invest too restrictive. You don't get to choose specific stocks or ETFs, you're investing in a preset portfolio. While this is perfect for passive investors, it's a non-starter for those who prefer an active approach. This brings us to Wealthsimple Trade. This platform is a game-changer for Canadian investors, as it was one of the first to offer commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs listed on major North American exchanges. Prior to Wealthsimple Trade, Canadians often faced per trade commissions ranging from $4.95 to $9.95, which could quickly eat into returns, especially for smaller portfolios or frequent traders. With Wealthsimple Trade, you gain the freedom to buy and sell individual stocks and ETFs without paying commissions. This is incredibly empowering for self-directed investors. You can research companies, build your own diversified portfolio, and execute trades whenever you like. Wealthsimple Trade is also known for its clean, intuitive mobile app, making it accessible even for those new to self-directed investing. They also offer fractional shares for popular stocks and ETFs, meaning you can invest in high-priced companies with smaller amounts of money, which is a huge advantage for beginner investors. But there are nuances. While trading Canadian-listed stocks and ETFs is truly commission-free, trading U.S.-listed securities incurs a currency conversion fee. This is a common practice across Canadian brokerages, but it's important to be aware of. Wealthsimple charges a 1.5% currency conversion fee on these trades, which can add up if you frequently trade U.S. stocks without a USD account. For more active traders or those with significant U.S. holdings, Wealthsimple offers a premium USD account for a monthly fee that waives these conversion fees. This is a crucial consideration if your investment strategy heavily involves U.S. equities. Furthermore, while Wealthsimple Trade offers commission-free stock and ETF trading, it doesn't support all investment products. For instance, you won't find mutual funds, bonds directly, though they have a bond portfolio in Wealthsimple Invest, or options trading, though options trading is available for premium and generation clients for a fee per contract. So, if your strategy requires these more complex instruments, Wealthsimple Trade might not be your sole solution. Also, while the app is user-friendly, some more experienced traders might find the research tools and advanced charting capabilities to be somewhat basic compared to more robust brokerage platforms. Now, let's look at Wealthsimple Cash. This isn't an investment account in the traditional sense, but it's a vital part of Wealthsimple's ecosystem, offering a high-interest savings and checking account. This account boasts no monthly fees, unlimited transactions, and a competitive interest rate on your entire balance. For many, it serves as a central hub for their everyday finances, allowing them to manage their cash alongside their investments within the same app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.